Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you Multani Mitti face pack for oily skin. This face pack will give you instant fairness. Benefits of using Multani Mitti are removes wrinkles, remove acne, remove blackheads and also removes oil in just 15 minutes. To prepare this face pack, we need Multani Mitti, lemon. Instead of lemon, you can also use milk or curd and enough rose water to make a smooth paste. Instead of this, you can also use water. I will provide the list of ingredients in the description. Let's start making a face pack. Take a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti powder. So I got 2 packets in this. I am going to add one of it. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can also add water instead of it. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Start mixing all the ingredients together. Now you can see our face pack is getting smooth and lump free. Once your face pack is ready, wash your face with water and apply the pack on your face. Let it dry for 15 minutes and wash it off with water. Apply the pack twice in a week to get glowing skin. If you liked my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, bye.